Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to plot multiple scales, like 1 to 20 and 1 to 5, on a single page using the easy method. This is a great way to arrange your drawing layout on your current setup session, so you can print different zoom levels together on one piece of paper. Step 1. Move over to your white paper layout sheet. The first step is to click away from your main endless drawing canvas and open up the white paper view page where you prepare your final layouts for the printer. Move your mouse pointer down to the bottom left edge of your screen workspace. Find the small tab that says Layout 1 and click on it once. Watch your monitor background turn into a bright white rectangle that represents your real piece of printing paper. Because you cannot print multiple specific sizes at once while you are working in the main model area. You have to be on this paper setup sheet, so you can build separate windows that handle their own unique sizes. Without this step, your printer will only capture one single view of your drawing board. Step 2. Create two separate view box frames. Next, you need to use a simple box drawing tool to place two separate window openings onto your white sheet so they can hold your two different views. Type MView into your bottom typing row, hit the Enter key on your keyboard, click once on the left side of your paper, drag your mouse, and click again to drop the first box. Then type MView and hit Enter one more time to draw a second box right next to it on the right side. Verify that you now have two distinct rectangular frames sitting side by side on your white screen canvas, both showing your background drawing. Because these boxes act like two independent cameras looking at your artwork. By creating two frames, you tell the system engine that you want to control two separate areas of the page at the same time. It ensures you have the proper structure ready before you start locking in your exact size rules. Step 3. Set one box to 1 to 20 and the other box to 1 to 5. Now you need to jump inside each window box separately and use the bottom number menu to give them their exact math size values. Double-click your mouse inside the first left box, look down at the small number bar at the bottom right corner of your screen, click it open, and choose 1 to 20 size. Next, double-click inside the right box, look at that same bottom number list, click it open, and select 1 to 5. Watch the left box shrink down to show a broad view, while the right box instantly zooms in to show a massive close-up look of your lines at the exact same time. Because it assigns two totally different size instructions inside your computer's memory card. Using this standard list tells the software to calculate the real-world measurements accurately without any guessing. It is the key step to getting the right output because it forces the two boxes to stay at their exact separate zoom levels on the sheet. And that's it. To plot multiple scales like 1 to 20 and 1 to 5 on a single page, you must first click on your Layout tab at the bottom to open your white paper view. Then, you use the MView command twice to draw two separate window boxes side by side on your screen canvas rows. Next, you double-click inside the boxes and select 1 to 20 for one and 1 to 5 from the bottom right number list. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.